Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to find the values of a, b and c such that the second derivative at s equals to negative number 1 at 6. So now I will show you how to answer. If we want this one exist, we need to know that f of negative number 1 and f of negative number 1 with first derivative should be existed. So for the first one, we put negative number 1 gone here. That means we need to put negative number 1 gone here, negative number 1 gone here, and so on. So if this one existed, this one should equals to this one. And now we need to simplify. That is about number 2, positive number 3a. This one, number 1, positive 8. And now we put c and a go to the left, number 2 and negative number 1 go to the right. So we simplify, and we have 2a plus b minus c equals to 14, and we have one equation. Now let's go to first derivative of this one. Now if we do first derivative f of s, this one we have 2s. This one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant. So you got 0. This one we have 2s. And this one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant. So you got 0. Now we put negative number 1 in here. So we have negative number 1 gone here, and negative number 1 gone here. So if we want this one existed, so the value on the left equals to the value on the right. So this one we have negative number 4. This one we have negative number 2. So negative number 2, negative a go to the left. Number 1 and negative number 4 we put on the right. So this one we have negative 2a. This one we have number 3. And we have the second equation. And now we go to second derivative. So this one we have number 1. This one we have 0. This one we have 0. This one we have number 1. And now we put number 2 gone here. And they don't change anything. So in this situation, the value on the left, number 1, the value on the left and the value on the right, they should be the same. So we have number 2 multiplied by number 2, and we have number 4 equal to 2c. So we can find about c equals to 4 divided by 2, and we have number 2. So after we have number 2, we can find the value of 8. And we have negative number 1. And we divide both sides by negative number 2, and we have 1 over 2. So we have A, we have C. We can find the value of B. So this one we have number 1. One minus number 2, we have negative number 1 equal to 14. And now we put negative number 1 go to the right, and we have 14 plus 1 equal to number 15. And here is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.